Ikonart stencil film revolutionizes the process of paint filling monuments by making it both easier and faster. This innovative washout film features an embedded silkscreen mesh that securely holds intricate details and islands in place, eliminating the need for time-consuming vinyl weeding. Simply print your design, expose the stencil film, and wash it out to create a detailed and reusable stencil. With this technique, you can efficiently add vibrant paint to new monuments or seamlessly touch up older ones, saving time without compromising on quality. Watch as the team at Professional Mask demonstrates their step-by-step process.
Oh man. Okay, so we're getting ready. Go ahead and pull the remove the back. Getting ready to put color in this. As you can see, there's not much color in that right now. These little serifs. This stuff really works good. We got to line up the H's over here. As you can see, we're lining that up to the actual font itself. Putting it down. That's what we need to do. Then we'll take it and we'll put the paint inside it. So, but we're going to tape these off first so we don't have any overspray. Okay. All right, we have it taped down where we want to have it to block off any that we have an outline around here. That is all blocked off. Now we will spray it, and it goes off. And we'll usually do about 2 coats on this, and then we'll seal it. Okay, so it's been about an hour since we did these, and pull it back. We're going to take it off, and look at that. It is in all the little serifs and everything. We'll do a little cleanup of it, and we can use this mask again if we want. Both of them are done and sealed. Pretty easy.